Christine Halsey, and this is part 4 of updating your Raspberry Pi to work with the Adafruit LCD plate. Alright, so in the last video I forgot to mention what they had highlighted there in the instructions was not exactly the file I had to go to download, the location, sorry, the URL. I had to go to this overview and read through it, and then it gave me that, after I read through several of the instructions, it gave me the address that I typed in part 3. Okay, so now we've downloaded that section, and I prefer looking at it here. I'm kind of funny. Now I can go to the Adafruit Python char LCD folder, and I see that there's a README file. So again, because the README was so important in the last one, I'm going to open up the README file. Okay, so in the README file, it tells me to do a sudo apt get update, which I just did, but I'll do it again. Then I'm going to do the sudo apt get install build essential python dev python smbus python pip. When it asks me to continue, I'm going to say yes. For the Raspberry Pi, we want to make sure and install the rpi.gpio. So we do the sudo pip install rpi.gpio. And yes, capitalization should be exactly as they show it. The next section was for the Beagle backbone, which we don't have, so I'm not doing that section. Next, I'm going to run sudo python setup.py space install. Okay, that gave me an error. No such file or directory. So what the problem is I'm not in the right directory, so I have to cd space adafruit underscore python underscore char lcd. Now I'm going to run the sudo python setup.py install. Okay, after I download it, then I change directory to the adafruit underscore python underscore char lcd, and then I change directory to examples, and I did a dir there to see what was there, and it did not match what we were told to put in, so I sudo python char underscore lcd underscore plate.py, and that runs my example program, or demo program I should say. That should be the end of it. Thank you.